Hi everyone, welcome to Eden's Secret. Today we're making pure white poinsettia soap, and it just reminded me, remember those boxes I used to do years ago? Everything in them was white, the box was white, it was just, and they used to sell very well. And it's weird, like all those gift boxes, lovely gift boxes I used to have, I discontinued one after the other, and I'm thinking I really need to launch those again, don't I? So I've just added my lye solution into the oils, and as usual we're going to blend away. I want to see if I can make just a plain white soap look interesting instead of just a white bar. Okay, so you can see in here we've got some white speckles, and that's the speckles I'm talking about. I hope you can see them. So we're just going to pour that through the sieve into the jug. Not going to fill it too much because it's easier to purge when you're not pouring from a full jug. You can see all the white speckles in there. So you'll notice I actually put titanium powder in without dissolving it in water or oil, and I've sieved the soap batter into the jug so that I'm hoping it's caught all those little molecules of titanium dioxide that often, if you don't dissolve it properly, you'll get lots of speckles of white in your soap. It's just an experiment to see how it works, but we'll see when it's cut whether it's worked or not. Still none. Pretty amazing.
asleep in the hay. Oh, the candle low when the baby awakes, but little Lord Jesus, no crying he makes. I love thee, Lord Jesus, look down from the sky and stay by my cradle till morning this night. Hey,
I've just left the light off because I love it when the sun starts shining in on the soaps like that. Just looks so pretty. So here we are. I think they look spectacular, and sometimes the plainer soaps look the best, and I think this is a great success. So this is another one in the Festive collection. These are the full-size bars, and these are the half-size bars that will go in with the Christmas holiday Festive soap collection 2022. If you're interested in purchasing this soap or the collection or anything else that we sell here at Eden Secret, just pop over to edenssecret.co and I'll see you there. If I don't see you there, I'll see you back here for another video from me, Karen Morland, here at Eden Secret 1. Bye bye for now.